Well, hello everybody in YouTube land. My name is not Sarah K or just Peachy, just Cosplay. So I want to show you guys the latest project that I've been working on. This is a mechanic that I just now got working, which is awesome. Crap, it's so sensitive. What I've been doing is I actually took an Arduino Uno for a very basic thing that I want to do. Hook it up to these flex sensors here. And then once I do this, that is going to send a channel to this servo. But right now it's kind of freaking out even at the slightest touch. The coding I need to kind of work on just a bit. At first it was just the flex sensors that was working properly, and how I knew that was based on this information there. But as you can see, it's not at 0. And I need to get this set back up there. So that is something I do need to fix, but the good thing is that I got the sensor working, and that's going to hook up, these are going to hook up into hands, and then these are going to hook up into some ears. So getting nice expressions with visual expressions going up and down, and both ears are going to be separate, so that's going to be really cool. It's going to go into this skull here, which the ears are going to come out on the side, and of course the wires and everything are going to be in here, the servos. But how it's actually supposed to look like is this guy here. This is the first version that I did, and it's really bad, but I've gotten better materials. I have, I'm going to make the jaw actually more fluid, and how it's supposed to run. Let's see if I can get the wires. Let's see, is this the right one? Yep, cool. Okay, so how that ear is supposed to work. And how I'm actually doing it with this is a very simple mechanic, which is just bike wire. And I pull it by using 2 hands. It's kind of like how puppetry is. And so I use that. But the problem is that when I was walking, I wanted to do both ears, and I couldn't do that with 2 hands trying to do it. So I had like 2 fishing wires, and if I can only move one at a time, but if I wanted to, I had to do like this trick with both hands. But that's how it's supposed to be when it's about to go into the head, when that one's finished. And so this is just going to be really, really cool. And just the thing now I just need to do is just figure out the correct programming for that, because I tried to find so many examples how to actually fix this out, get the right channels going, what needed the right voltage, because that was the issue. Was this, every time I went into the 5 volt, it just shut off. So I put it into the 3.3 volts. It works fine, and the servo needed the 5 volts, so that's why it has its own power going on. But yep, again, once that's all working, see, it's so sensitive. I don't like that, but once I get it working, it should be totally rocking. And even including this, I tried to hook it up, the servo up to the 4-pack AAA battery, but that wasn't enough power. So I actually have to go out and get a hobby pack to keep this running individually, instead of like hooking it up to a cable plug. So I gotta get that going and figure out the number to this and stop freaking out. See, even when I'm touching it, sometimes it's not even working. But then when there's a slight touch, it is working. So that's the only thing that I'm working on now. But it's cool. It's working. It's working. I love it. All right, out.